On the fire watch this morning, crews in Contra Costa County had their hands full responding to dozens of fires throughout the night. 37 fires in the span of just 6 hours. These are photos from one incident in Pittsburgh. The fires were put out quickly, luckily, because extra crews were brought in to work the holiday. They saw this coming. In San Francisco, people set off illegal fireworks in the city's Mission District despite numerous warnings from police. This Snapchat video shows how dangerously close they were to homes and to power lines. In San Jose, dozens of illegal fireworks filling the sky last night. There on the left-hand side of your screen, people completely disregarding police warnings. And check out the scene on the right-hand side there in East Oakland behind the Coliseum. As soon as it got dark, the illegal fireworks started going off.